Last video, we talked about how to use ePCB to submit your PCB. But there's another hack which is even better than ePCB. That is using eData PCB. Very simple. What you need to do, you basically just go to this website, eapps.hasil.gov.my. If you're a first timer, just click on registration, put in your e-number, then you put in your details including your ID and password and click send. Once sent, they will send you an email. Just confirm the email, make sure everything is in order, valid email, and then you can log in this portal already. So now you need to jump to your SQL Payroll to extract the information in order for this hack to work. Now, how do I extract my PCB details for eData PCB purpose? Very simple. Just go to past payroll, choose the year, and then choose the month that you have processed or the one that you want to submit. Press print income tax CP39, and at the bottom right hand side, click submission of LHDN Borang CP39, and then choose LHDN and press OK, and then just pick a directory you want to save, then just save it. Once extracted, just go to this portal and then you click the upload and check file text button, and then choose the file that you have saved earlier and click send. Now once sent, they will show you the summary, how much you need to pay. If you want to check whether individually is correct or not, click on the Lulus button and they will show you all the individuals details. If everything is in order, just go to Maklumat Instrument, the payment page, and then you can edit this page to put in which are the methods that you use to pay this PCB. What you do, just click Kemas Kini, edit, and then put the details in and then press send. Once then, they will show you this page, which is an overview of all the information, all the PCB that you are going to submit. So you go through the list. If everything is okay, then you drag to the bottom. On the lower left hand side, you can click Hantar Data, which equivalent to submission, and then you can proceed to make a payment. Remember to print out this form for your record purposes. How do you find your records, which is the payment that you have made? Very simple. Just go to Pembayaran FBX and then you can just put in the details, the acknowledgement details which you obtained from the slip earlier, and then just click Semak, send. Then you will get the information. This is how simple a eData PCB is. Basically just need a software and you just need to know how to upload the file. It's much more efficient, much more effective, and less mistake. So how many methods are there for you to submit your PCB? The first method is the manual way, where you find out what is the PCB table. Now this PCB table is the old one, which is 2018 version, where the salary starts 3141. But please take note, commencing 2019, this PCB table will change, no longer usable. So please ignore. I just want to show you what is the PCB looks like in the table. And now it's near to end of January and this table is not released yet. Number 2 method is using a PCB calculator in hasil.gov.my website. Number 3 is ePCB, which we discussed last video. Number 4 is using eData PCB. There could be another one called number 5. Why? Because when we look at this image, there's one portal called eCP39, which I have no idea what is this so far. Probably is a new portal coming up. We are not very sure, but we will just wait and see. If you want me to rank which one is the best and then which one is the worst, I will say the best one is the eData PCB. You just get SQL Payroll and then all the summaries can be printed out, your EA form can be printed out, your PCB details can be printed out, and then when you upload, it's like just upload, make payment, done. It's so easy. The second ranking, I would say it goes to ePCB. Now ePCB is better than the third and fourth. Why? Because when you lock in your details, all these details, all the information, all the remuneration, past records are all inside. The third method is using the PCB table, provided this PCB table is out, because you just basically take the figure and plug it in. So it's quite simple. But there's one thing not good about PCB table is the tax that they impose on PCB table is always higher than PCB calculator. So if you use table, please take note you are paying more tax. Number 4, I will say the last one or the worst one is using a PCB calculator. Not to say it's not good, but due to the complexity of the PCB calculation, and then when you use PCB calculator in the website, you basically have to look into all your additional information that you collected in the past, and in many cases it can come to human errors, very easy to make mistakes. So I really don't recommend you, because 10 of my friends using PCB calculator, I would say 8 or 9 have this kind of problem, always calculating wrong information. There you go, ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, the methods that you use for PCB submission. Just a disclaimer, this is merely my own preferences. If you agree with me, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.